Okay, we're on the home stretch. Video number 4 in this series of videos showing how to create an email template and send an eblast. So we've got everything created. Now what we want to do is go into our database and send some stuff out. So we're going to do that by going to the Contacts tab and then scroll to the bottom of that tab, and you'll see a variety of options here. I'm going to click mass email contacts, which is the eblast. I happen to have a view already created in here, and by the way, the views created in this area need to be created within the mass email function. There are other views that you can create, but they will not show within this screen here. So if you want to create a new view at this point, you simply can by clicking create a new view, but we're not going to. That's if you don't know how to do that, I'll be more than happy to go through that, but we'll bypass that in this video. So I just happen to have a view called ANA RSMs already created. I'm going to click go, and you see a list of all the ANA contacts. So I don't want to send out to everyone. What I'll do is I'll deselect all by unchecking this checkbox here, then go through and select the ones that I want to go ahead and send to. Okay. So we're going to send to Don, Greg, and we'll send to Ryan, and we'll send to Tony. They're going to get this email and wonder what the heck is going on. So, in fact, what I'll do is, yeah, we'll send it to those 3 people. All right. So we've got the people selected. Depending on the size of your view, you may send 25 emails or 2 emails all the way to 500 emails. Sorry about that. My speech escaped me. So the one thing that you want to know though is that you will be limited to 500 emails a week. That is the one drawback of doing this within Salesforce. We're looking at using some other platforms, but to integrate into Salesforce and track, and it's just creates some issues. And quite frankly, until everyone starts using this function efficiently, I don't see a need to use another platform that's more efficient. So, enough of that. Let's move on. Next, click next, and we're going to select the template that we created, which was test video. In fact, is that the one? It's preview. Yep, that's the one. That is the one. Okay, so we'll just close that down. Test video. Click next. And then the mass email name, we'll call it test eblast. And you'll see here that BCC me on one message, so you'll get a copy on one message, and then store an activity for each message. So in other words, every email that is sent out to the person in your view will get recorded. That email sent will get recorded in the history of that contact record, which is quite nice. All right, delivery options. I can either send now or I can schedule for delivery. Okay, so I'll just send now. Press send. And we're finished. And that's it. I just sent out an eblast. That's it. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you want more videos on how to do this, I'm more than happy to do it. I struggled with an authoring tool that I played around with for 2 or 3 weeks, and it just gave me fits, and I think I found another one that works. So this process appears to be easier. That's it. See you on the flip side.